Have you ever seen a fidget toys like this? Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about fidget toys. Yes, making or building or 3D printing stress relief fidget toys. The first fidget toy, 3D printed fidget toy, it's my own design, and it's a simple cube, and on that cube I make a holes so I can place 6 switches. It turned out pretty awesome and amazing, this cube switch fidget toy. And it's very addictive and it's a stress relief. While you're working on the computer, with one hand you're working with the mouse, with the other hand you have this cube switch fidget toy. Great. And it makes a perfect sound with clicking. Hear it. Next fidget toy that you can 3D print it yourself with your 3D printer is this minimal parts with gears fidget toy with gear and spiral. Okay, this is pretty simple but also pretty.